All right. This is more kind of like, you probably can't hear me, like a behind the scenes. I actually just got this in from Perfume Box. I might make this part of the video. I might not. Y'all know I really don't do first impressions like I used to because I really want to kind of get a wearing in with it. But Nitro Gold. All right. So let's go ahead and get this open. Sunday fun day. I just got back in the crib. Was home with the fam all weekend. Need to be asleep. Some of y'all like this kind of content, whatever, but typically behind the scenes, or what I'll do, if I can get the freaking box open, usually when I get something in the mail, you know what I'm saying, I'll go ahead, spray it, especially Middle East, and just really kind of start that maturation, not maceration, maturation process. If it's something I'm really looking forward to, you know what I'm saying, definitely go ahead and be like, get some first initial reactions. I was serving in the creative director role, so at one point, so a lot of times I would get samples and stuff, and I'll go ahead and make voice notes on recordings or videos just to kind of get my first initial thoughts or impressions, just so when I go back and I'm doing my research, I can see how much it changed. With that typical Dumont Nitro Gold bottle. Oh, I'm loving it. Y'all know I'm not playing. I don't know if you can hear. I'm watching Top Gun. The TV is right there. I got the TV. So you may hear that in the background. But if this is your first Dumont, if it ends up being the first one, this is the presentation that you can expect. Oh, this is something new. I don't remember this being on the old bottles, but the Dumont on the bottom like that. And you still got the tassel. Now, I have no clue what this could be. I'm hoping it's not a YSL elixir. Not elixir. Is it elixir? Not YSL. Lamel elixir. JPG. I'm hoping it's not a JPG elixir or whatever. Do I have any scent strips by me? No. Skin clean. Let's do... I got a clean spot right here. Let's do this. This smells very... Actually... What the heck is this? This smells good. I've smelt this before. Perfect for spring. I think summer. I feel like it may be a little too cloying though, what I'm getting. This smells very JPG-ish, very Paco Rabanne-ish. You get a burst of citrus. You get a burst of citrus, but this sweet, almost like juniper style sweetness. Like it gives me this vetiverish, juniperish, scent of pea style sweetness, scent of pea style juniper berry opening, but like with this JPG Paco Rabanne type sweetness. Like this slight bubble gum. There's definitely like some lavender or some geranium here. What the heck is this? Is there any information? Because, you know, I've been seeing the information about them putting it out, but I don't know what this could be or what this is supposed to be a clone of. I mean, there's no more documentation. That's on skin. I mean, like in the air. Man, this smells familiar, but I don't know exactly. Y'all, hold on. I'm sending a text message. What is this? I'm definitely getting like lab geranium, lavender, maybe. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what this is. How long is this so far? I'm at 6 minutes 52. I don't know what this is. I promise it smells like something. All right, forget it. I gotta look it up. I gotta look it up. I gotta look it up. I don't know what the heck this is. And it's crazy because some of y'all watching this like you watching a live, and you're gonna put a comment and be like, it's a clone of this, it's a clone of that. Dumont Nitro Gold. Dumont Nitro Gold. Oh, I was way off on those notes. Definitely fruity, but I was way off. But no, well, I won't too far off. There's vetiver. I picked up the vetiver. So you got pink pepper, grapefruit, tangerine, apple, black pepper, and pineapple. You put all of that together, it can smell like some juniper. I definitely picked up on the vetiver though. There's vetiver in the middle. You got cedarwood, salt, marine notes, cognac, vetiver. In the base, you got amberwood, musk, sandalwood, vanilla, and toffee. What the heck? Like, this smells so familiar, but I don't know what this is. Millicene Imperial? If this is a dupe of Millicene Imperial, this is more of a fruitier take on that. Millicene Imperial smells great, but gives me a headache. I don't have Millicene Imperial, but I do have Club de Nuit. Hold on. Y'all excuse the hoochie daddies. We got Milestone. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. This DNA gives me a headache. I don't know. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. No. 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 Somebody's nose is broke. Even though this is not the OG, this definitely resembles more of the OG than that does. I don't what I don't know what this is, y'all. Like I said, you get like this fruity forward Rabanne style sweetness. Where's the sweetness coming from though? You got toffee, vanilla, the fruit here, cognac. Let me see if I can find the information. Dumont Nitro Gold. Let's see if we have a perfume box. So they got pink pepper, grapefruit, tangerine. This is not Millicene Imperial though. No. That's something like that. That's not Millicene Imperial. That's why you got to take Fragrantica with a grain of salt. This is not Millicene Imperial. Now, if you're looking at the note breakdown, some people might would think that. But, and again, this is the clone of Millicene Imperial. However, it pretty much gives you like Millicene Imperial. And I don't really care for the DNA because it can kind of give me a headache. This Dumont Gold is a fruity forward. I'm going to just see what other people are, because it just dropped. So people saying Millicene Imperial, something. You got to take this with a grain of salt. People could compare it to like all the Valentinos. Born in Roma Gold Uomo. I got that too. I got that. We might not have it too much longer. I could see that. I could see, but it's fruity. And that's more vanilla and amber. So maybe that I could see that as the base. Because this definitely has vanilla, amberwood. There's also some sandalwood musk. Here you can clearly get the pepper, the grapefruit. I'm lost. Y'all, I'm trying to see what the pineapple is definitely there. What is it supposed to be? Yeah, what the heck is this supposed to be? Zamaya Rivery Aqua. I have that. Zamaya Rivery Aqua. What the heck? This is not Millicene Imperial. I'm gonna tell you that. Y'all, somebody gotta help me. Somebody gotta. Now, it's good. I could see them. So a lot of that JPG Paco Rabanne sweetness is kind of gone. I see the Valentino correlation. Like when I tell y'all this is behind the scenes, this is behind the scenes. Y'all, you're seeing like this is the frustration we go through. I could see them using this as a base. Like, hold on real quick. I could, but this is heavier on the vanilla and the amber. I could see a Valentino style on the base. It's not a one-to-one of anything that I'm familiar with. Now, I'm looking at Reddit right now. And somebody is talking about, I'm assuming the sweetness is coming from the pineapple. I didn't really pick up on the well, I mean, I could be tripping. This is why first impressions are stupid. All right, so you get the pineapple. I was getting something else. Somebody asked, can you compare performance and projection to Nitro Elixir? Have you tried Zamaya Riverie Aqua? Riverie is a straight up Born Aroma Intense clone. Correct. I have that. Nitro Gold, I feel, is actually a blend. It smells like they took the original Born Aroma, blended it with Yellow Dream. I got Yellow Dream too, but I don't have it in my possession. My boy got it. We're going to report back, y'all. We're going to report back. Yellow Dream has pineapple. Yellow Dream has mandarin orange. Guess what else also has pineapple? Guess what else? This has tangerine, grapefruit, apple. But you got marine notes, you got vetiver. Let's just say it like this. I know some of y'all mad. Y'all be like, well, 20 minutes or nothing. No, this is really a behind the scenes first impression. I'm going to post this. I've been talking too long. I'm going to post this. What do you need to know about this? It is not Millicene Imperial. This is not Millicene Imperial. It's not a Creed dupe. So let's get that out the way. You get this beautiful, fruity opening, and you get this base layer of sweetness and amber. Not heavy vanillic, not even so much heavy on the amber. The vetiver is what jumped out to me. I don't get a lot of the booze on the skin. I do get the marine. I do get the marine notes there. I didn't get a lot of toffee. And there is some saltiness there. This is good. This is a twist. This is a hybrid of something. Could it be Yellow Dream? You know what I'm saying? Could they have said, let's take Yellow Dream and let's take, Womo Gold and kind of do something there and add in some marine notes or whatever? Very well could be. But, yo, do you have it? Have you ordered it? Did you pre-order it? Have you gotten your nose on it? Beat it up in the comments. Let me know what you think. We're going to spend some more time with this one. Because, again, what I'm smelling now, this is at the end of the day. At the time of me recording this, it is 10:57. I want y'all to see this. That's my niece. It is 10:57. You see that? It is 10:57 p.m. We're going to try this again tomorrow, and I'll report back on my live. But until next time, y'all be easy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, let's see what's popping.